This is one of the cool things with 3D printing. You can achieve results like this only with 3D printing method of manufacturing. No other way. This item here has multiple segments, all which articulate or move. And any other method, you would have to make each part separately and then figure out a way to connect them all. But with 3D printing, it actually creates the entire item with multiple segments already connected together. And that also means that they can't ever come apart unless broken, of course. So, pretty cool.